Hello! So, ninyo ang Papa Bald. No? So, naami ni Alpha diri sa gym every afternoon. Kaya ako gina siyang spend time after sa ko ang work. No? Ako siya padagandagan. Ako na siyang libot-libot diri sa gym para kapuyon. Og makatulog na siya. So, wala siya nag-practice siya dagan-dagan. Say hi!
Hi!
So, ganahan kini siya magbula og bula, guys. What's that? Money! That's money! You give to Papa. Let's put it to your, piggy bank. Not piggy bank, okay? It's not a piggy, but teddy bank. Every day atong paningkamutan nga makabuhat ta og short vlog na one day ma-look back na mo ni Alpha. What's that? What's that? Huh? Leaf? That's a leaf. Mama, tara. Mama. Mama, go to Mama. Run. Run! Look at Mama! Napay Alpha. Napay money, oh. Money. Another money. Pick up the money. There's a lot of money, no? You pick up money. Pick up money. Pick up the money. Pick up the money. We'll put it sa TD bank ni mo. Pero, there's the money. Money. Pick up the money. 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 We'll put it to the TD bank. Inanisad nga age. Nahilig na kayo siya magsaka-saka. Ride na sa bike.
Bike?
Yes, ride na sa mong bike. Then push. 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 So that's it for today, and tomorrow balik ni sad ni vlog day ko together with Alpha. So we're gonna call this segment Dailies with Alpha.